Hello everyone, Marlon Carter here out of Dallas, Texas. What you're looking at here is my back office in the Power Lead system. Now, I'm one that doesn't give up real quick. And I have been working online since the 90s. And so that can show you right there that I'm not a quitter. But what I've learned over the years is when you're marketing online, if you have a product, if you have a business opportunity, whatever you may be promoting online, you're going to need a marketing system. And with a marketing system, it's all about generating leads or traffic to whatever you are promoting online. And that's where the Power Lead system come in at. With the Power Lead system, you can join up with the first part of the Power Lead system, and it's called Lead Lightning. And Lead Lightning, you're going to get two links, referral link A and referral link B. With referral link A, you're going to be promoting Lead Lightning by itself, which costs $7 one-time lifetime fee. And when someone put in their information to subscribe to Lead Lightning, or even if they buy into Lead Lightning, you have them as a lead, and then you have made $6 for them paying the $7 one-time fee to purchase Lead Lightning. And referral link A is just promoting Lead Lightning by itself. Referral link B is promoting Lead Lightning and your primary business, whatever it may be. Now, my primary business is YO2 Worldwide, and it's O2 Worldwide Oxygen Drops. It's what I promote. But it's done simple, the simple way, through Lead Lightning or the Power Lead system. Whatever your primary business is, you can place it right here after you join. You place it in here and you click update, and then your primary business is going to be promoted when you promote referral link B. Now, this is a marketing system, and the Lead Lightning is an autoresponder and a capture page. Let's click on referral link A to see a capture page. And this is my capture page. Now, yours will be here once you join. Now, we're going to click on it, and this is what comes up. And this is Todd Gross, and he's promoting the business or the program for you. Once a person put their name and email address in and click send, then you will have messages going out on your behalf to that person to promote Lead Lightning or your primary business. And both of the links are the same. The only difference is that your business or whatever you're promoting, whatever link you put in that space that I showed you a while ago right in here, will be promoted in referral link B. Now, I just love this program because through the years since I've been online, I learned that you need a list. And the list is what we call a contact list. These are the leads that you will be getting through this system, and you will be building your contact list. And with your contact list, you are able, once you upgrade into the Power Lead system part, you are able to send them messages through this system. And we're going to show you the campaigns that you can send out to them once you upgrade with the Power Lead system. And in the Power Lead system, you get an opportunity to build multiple subdomains and multiple capture pages. You don't have but one with Lead Lightning, but with the Power Lead system, once you upgrade, you have unlimited capture pages that you can create, unlimited subdomains that you can create, and each subdomain represent, these are your funnels right here, and all these are different email messages that will go out on your behalf, whichever one you choose. I am with Calabro, and he promotes Lead Lightning, the Power Lead system, and 2 other programs all in one. He showed you the simple way of doing that. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to put my I'm going to put his link down at the bottom, whereas you can see how simple it is to promote these business just through one link. Let's go over here and look at the subdomains that I have created. Manage subdomain. All these are capture pages that I have built, and I have put a name on them to make them my own. Let's take a look at this one. You have different capture pages that you can create in the Power Lead system. Let's look at another one. All these represent me. Once they put their information in, then they will start receiving my messages from the funnel or the campaigns that I showed you a few moments ago. And this is where you create your subdomain right here. You put whatever you want. Just say you put training in there. And whatever your domain is, you're going to need a domain. Whatever your domain is, whatever you put in front of your domain and create it, that becomes your subdomain. Let's look at some of the capture pages that you can use. All of these are different capture pages that I use. Like I said, Frank is my upline, and he's teaching me how I can become wealthy online by promoting his pages, and whatever the simple system that he talks about is going to be representing my program, because I have joined up with him. And you can do the same thing. At the bottom of this video, to learn more about what we're doing with the Power Lead system, it's a marketing platform that you use to promote your business or whatever business you may be involved with. You can start with Lead Lightning, or you can upgrade to the Power Lead system. You can get different capture pages such as this one to promote any business that you are involved with. I'm going to put a link at the bottom of this video where you can join up with me and Frank, and he's going to teach you a simple way and a low-cost way of making money online. This is going to be representing Lead Lightning as well. You have different capture pages that you can use to utilize your marketing online, and I just love this system. This has just been a quick video to let you know that I don't give up, I don't give in. I continue to promote, and I continue to build my list to promote my business opportunity at hand. Click on the link below. Let's get you started. My name is Marlon Carter, out of Dallas, Texas. You all have a good day or night. Bye-bye.